is for ant. A says just like that.